Good morning, it's Lynette here, or good afternoon, or good evening. It's still morning, it's almost 12 in the afternoon here, it's almost lunchtime. So I've just popped on. I've not been able to film for ages because I've had a throat infection and I've just felt dreadful. So you can probably hear it in my throat a little bit today, but I thought I'll come on and I'll do some recording, put some makeup on, and come on and show you my latest in beauty. So it's a natural beauty edit, and latest in beauty is a subscription box with a difference. You can cancel, so you can take it for a month and you can cancel it, or you can keep it going. Now it used to be that you got 3, 6 or 9 items, so I get 9 items for £18, and that includes my postage and packaging. Now they only do 6 items and I think it's £12.95 plus postage and packaging until you've been a member for 6 months, I think. However, I do have money off if you do want to get a box down in the description. I always forget to say that, by the way. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe and ring the bell and you'll see the updates from me. I'm terrible at doing that as well. So unfortunately this week, well, yesterday, Charmed Wench put her 80s birthday collab up, and I'm going to start tonight and watching all the kind of videos, but I wasn't feeling great, so Marie was lovely and she said to me, look, don't put any pressure on yourself, but I might still do a wee bonus video and show you the look that I might have done. But her look was rocking, honest to God. Go and check it out, it was absolutely amazing, and there's a whole host of other people that joined in, and you'll probably know most of them as I did. So anyway, straight into the latest in beauty box, the natural beauty edit. So this month there was a few items I liked, but I thought, oh, I'll wait, and then I thought, oh, I'll wait, and then I just kind of waited till the next Monday, and I thought, right, I better get it picked now, otherwise they'll be doing that awful thing where they pick for you, and I don't want that. It is dreadful. So I'm just going to pull them out one by one and show you what I've got. So you'll have seen this a couple of times before. It's the Natura Ecos and it's the Akai Revitalising Hand Cream. I got another one of these because the hand cream is just absolutely gorgeous. I hope you can see it okay. The sun coming in that window is a wee bit of a pain. I picked this up, it's Polar, and it's Polar Night Moisturising Body Milk. And I picked it up for Marie. She's a massive fan of the Polar brand, and I had another few bits and pieces to send her, so I thought I'll get these and I can pop them in a wee envelope for her. I also picked up, I saw somebody else, Natalie, is it Natalie Foster, is that the right name? If I've given you the wrong name, Natalie, I'm sorry. But I saw her open she had the Dr. Teal's, the Epsom salt soaks. And this is Soothe and Sleep with Lavender. So it's Epsom salt with magnesium, sulfate and essential oils. And they're made in America. So 450 grams. So it says here that, right, okay. So tell me how I'm using it. It doesn't actually tell me how I'm using it. So that's interesting. Normally it would tell you how much to put in. So I'm imagining with something like this, it would just be a couple of handfuls. However, if you're using the magnesium salts, maybe not the ones with the essential oils in because it might be strong, but if you're using the regular magnesium salts, you do need a lot in your bath. But this, I think I'll just probably pour half the packet into a bath and just enjoy that. I do enjoy a bath before bed. I think I'm the only one in the house that has a bath. Everybody else just has showers. Now I saw these Lipchi Natural Cosmetics Marula Oil Nourishing Lip Balm, and I thought I always give my lip balms away to my sons. This has got organic palm oil in it, which is supposed to be better than regular palm oil. I don't know how it's sustainable in what they do, but palm oil is in everything. So if it's organic and sustainable, that's good. So look, I love that. And you can almost guarantee this will stop my sons from saying, can they have it? I love the packaging. It's just like a lipstick bullet, isn't it? Has it got a smell? I can't actually smell anything, but I'm not sure if that's just remnants of being unwell. So yeah, I thought try something. That's what I like about Latest in Beauty. They'll often bring in new brands and things that you've never heard of or you've never tried before. Doesn't want to go back in the box that well. Oh, this is another item I picked up for Marie. It's just the Polar and it's the micellar water, the Polar Ice. I'm sure she got that in another box. They did also have the other cream, but by the time I went to order it was gone. Oh, this was the Hall of Fame item. Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Mind Roller Balls, Focusing and Soothing. Now, I already have a couple of those. My friend Tracy sent me some for Christmas, and it was a pack of 3, and I think I had a previous one. So I do enjoy them, and sometimes I'll give them to my son who's up the road because he quite enjoys them. So there we go. So it's got the little roller ball there. Let's see what it smells like. Try and get it started. It's very subtle, unless I can't get it started properly. My other ones feel a bit wetter than this, but I don't know. I don't know if the ball's working. I'm getting a really light fragrance. I can only see a little bit on the back of my hand. So if you've got this, does it come out really lightly, or is mine's broken? It probably does come out really lightly, but I'm used to the other one coming out a bit more. So you put these on your pulse points and breathe deeply for an instant effect. So it's not recommended during pregnancy, and of course if you've got any medical conditions, speak to your doctor. And you can only use it within 6 months. But Aromatherapy Associates is a really nice brand, so I picked that one up. I also picked up, because I'm obsessed with Faith in Nature, it's the Coconut and Shea Butter Shampoo Bar. Now, if you watched my Home Bargains haul, you'll have seen that Home Bargains had the Faith in Nature, and it was only £2.89 a bottle, plus they had the shampoo bars, but they didn't have this one. So I am trying, like if these Faith in Nature shampoo bars are good, then I'll replace the shampoo that I buy with these. But I am trying to cut back on plastic and things. Their soaps come stamped with Faith in Nature as well. Oh, it just reminds me of holidays. See, whenever I go away on holiday, when I go abroad, for some reason I am obsessed with the coconut smell. So it's coconut and shea butter. But for some reason, when I go on holiday, I always seem to go to Boots and I pick up coconut shampoo, conditioner, shower gel. It's quite sad. So whenever I sniff coconut, I think holiday. Oh, it smells amazing. Takes me right back. I had a holiday in a wee while. I'm like, you know, I'm like who? So I'm meant to like most other people. Unlike the celebrities that were jetting off to Barbados or Dubai or wherever they were going. Good for them, I say. As long as you're sensible. The OK Illuminating Serum. Now, I've picked this up before, but serums are things that I run out of constantly. I don't know whether I put too much on. I do use it twice a day, but this is hyaluronic acid and vitamin B3. So hyaluronic acid is really good for getting moisture into your skin, and it is a Korean brand. OK is a really good brand. I've had this before, as I say, really good brand. Their skincare is lovely as well. You might know them more for their sheet masks, but their skincare is really nice. I've tried their serum and a night cream, I think. So this is something I wanted to try by a company called Swiss. It's an Australian company, but it's hemp and energy. So they had a few different ones on. So it's for wellness apparently. So it says yerba mate, physical and mental energy, vitamin B3 and B12 for metabolic energy, hemp seed oil rich in omega-3 and 6. So mind and body nutrition, 60 capsules, 2 per day. So I really look forward to trying this. So it says here the hemp seed oil is rich in essential fatty acids, omega-3 and 6, particularly alpha linolenic acid and some other type of acid which I can't pronounce, which cannot be made by the body, so that's really good. Yerba mate, which I've never heard of before, provides energy for mental and physical performance and supports optimal stamina and vitality. I've not got any stamina or vitality at the moment. Vitamin B3 and 12, support normal energy yielding, metabolism and psychological function. Vitamin B12 contributes to normal function of the immune system. So you take 2 capsules daily during or immediately after a meal. So it contains caffeine. It's not recommended for children or pregnant women or anybody under the age of 18. Now it is classed as a food supplement. So I am looking forward to trying these. And if you got them, let me know what you think, if you've tried them. I do take a CBD oil, but the taste is so nasty. I do have, is it capsules that I need to try that my friend recommended, because they're supposed to really help with pain. And for me, the amount of painkillers I take is just, it's just making my life really, really difficult. I can't remember what I'm going to say. I don't have any clear focus. My memory's shot to bits. And I know with my condition there comes like brain fog. And brain fog, unfortunately, can come from anxiety. It can also come from the menopause. So I'm fighting on all 3 fronts. So it's quite tough when you're kind of like trying to remember words, and you know, it's fine in the house in front of friends, but when you're in a work meeting or you've been asked to speak at a meeting, I had to write everything down because I thought, I don't want to be doing that. What is the word? You know, it sounds like trying to get the word in my head when I was talking to a group full of people. But I'm sure I'm not alone in that. So, yep, here's hoping that if this is 30-day supply, that if I notice any difference, then I will be kind of Googling it and having a wee look, and I'll let you know. Of course, I'll come back and let you know. So last but not least, I think this is a freebie. Eau Thermale Avène. I probably pronounced that terribly. It's been a while since I did high school French. So mild to moderate blemishes. So it's a little cream that looks like it's all written in French. There we go. I love these things. I've got a few products like that and I'll be like, right, I need to Google what it is. So I think it's like for skin, to clear your skin, if it's for mild to moderate blemishes. So I will Google it, but it's a little freebie. I don't mind freebies. They do that sometimes, Latest in Beauty. I will say, when you're ordering from Latest in Beauty, check the dates. Because I know this is October 2022. I know that there's been a few products that have been, not very often, but now and again, excuse me, sorry, now and again you find some products don't have long, or some are even out of date. So just check the dates on the bottom. They're usually fantastic. So I'll run through quickly what I got again. I got my little freebie. I got my, this is so cute, my lip cheat. There we go. That's a bit extra like me. I got the hand cream, which is, if it's still on and you're getting Latest in Beauty, I recommend the hand cream. The OK Illuminating Serum. No, I never go for things like, oh, is that the most expensive thing there? I just go for, what is it I want this month? What is it I need? You can't always do that. And sometimes I pick things and think, oh, that could go in a beauty box, or that could go here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait a minute. Wait a little minute. 1, 2, 3. That's fine. I counted a box. Counted it twice. Yes, I like to go on and see, like, what can I actually use this month? What will help me? So the serum will go away because I'm not using anything at the moment that's coming through beauty boxes or that I've bought that isn't in my inventory. So I'm just keeping it all separate, and I can eventually show you what's in it, but I won't be able to use that until I've finished up my other serums, but I've not got too long to go. So the Dr. Teal's, the Epsom salts, which are lovely, the aromatherapy roller ball, which I'll probably put in the drawer for my son, the hemp and energy, which I'm going to start taking tonight, the 2 Polar for Marie, and the Faith in Nature shampoo bar. So yep, for £18, I don't think you can actually complain. I haven't added everything up because I am dreadful at that. I've just come upstairs and just thought I'd film it for you. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and my secret giveaway. I nearly forgot my secret giveaway. Right, so I'm wearing a spotty top. So just in the comments, don't say it's for the secret giveaway, right? Just say in the comments, stripy or spotty. What are you? So I'm whatever I pull out the wardrobe, you'll know that I'm partial to a little Breton stripe. I can't resist them. But yeah, I love spots and stripes. But are you spots or are you stripes? So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Goodbye.